sorry. Is that okay?
Start again.
Okay.
Tell us about the rain side of things.
Okay. When we dropped, okay. So, like all the way over?
Yeah, start again.
Okay. Hi, my name is Ali. I am here in South Sudan in the middle of the Toposo village. We took the chief and one of the disciples a new disciple that we take him to another village. And when we were there was, they welcomed him in, and we started to pray. We started to encourage the tribe, the people, the elders. And we've been praying for rain to come, And as I was encouraging them, I said, God will bless them and God will give them rain and it will happen. And as soon as I said that, rain came down in an instant. And it was just so encouraging to see how God is loving on these people. And yeah. I am loving it. I am loving the way of life, and I'm so encouraged to see so many people so hungry for the Word of God, so desiring to follow Jesus the way that it is in the Bible. And they are so welcoming and so loving. They're willing to offer anything to us.